Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Welcome friends. This is a 49-inch LED TV that comes to repair for the complaint backlight related fault sound okay no picture. Here you can see total 10 LED backlight strips are there. While checking with the LED checker here we found that some backlights are not working. While dealing with backlight related fault, better to replace entire backlight with new LED strips for avoiding future repetitions in that same complaint. So here we are going to install new backlights by replacing the old faulty LED strips. So friends, here we almost completed the installation. Now let's connect the panel diffuser sheets, panel everything back to the TV frame. See, now the work is done. Here we connected all sockets back to TV. See, after changing backlights it's highly recommended to adjust and keep the backlight level between minimum 30% to maximum of 60 to 70%. So that's it, hope you like this video, see you in another video with another interesting topics. If you like our channel, please don't forget like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Thank you for watching.